Welcome back to the Creative World Tour. Today, we're traveling to Europe, where art history comes alive. From Renaissance painting and classical music to Shakespearean theatre, Leo, Maya, Zara, Rio, and Nia are about to discover how Europe shaped the world of creativity. Grab your brushes, instruments, and imagination. Let's get started. The friends arrive in Florence, Italy, surrounded by stunning architecture and cobblestone streets. Their first stop is an art studio where they learn about Renaissance painting.
Look at all the famous paintings. It's like history is staring back at us.
The Renaissance was a time when artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo brought ideas to life through painting and sculpture. Let's create our own masterpieces inspired by them.
The friends pick up brushes and start painting. Maya creates a portrait with vibrant colors. Zara paints a dancer in motion. And Leo paints musical notes blending into a sunset.
Painting is like time traveling. I feel connected to the artists of the past.
Their guide teaches them about perspective, light and shadow, showing how small techniques can make a big difference in art. Next, the friends travel to Vienna, Austria, the home of classical music. In a grand music hall, they're introduced to the works of composers like Mozart and Beethoven.
This place feels magical, like the walls are echoing with music from the past.
Classical music is all about emotion and storytelling. Let's create a melody that tells your story.
Leo starts by drumming a steady beat, while Nia hums a soft melody. Maya adds piano notes, and Rio strums a guitar to bring it all together.
It's like we're painting a picture with sound.
They learn how classical music connects emotions and ideas, inspiring them to create melodies that reflect their personalities. The friends travel to Stratford-upon-Avon, England, where they step onto a stage in Shakespeare's hometown. Their guide introduces them to the works of the famous playwright.
William Shakespeare's plays are known for their stories of love, bravery, and adventure. Let's bring one of his scenes to life.
The friends choose a funny scene from A Midsummer Night's Dream. Zara plays a dramatic fairy. Rio takes on the role of a mischievous character. And Nia narrates the scene with flair.
The course of true love never did run smooth.
They laugh and have fun performing, realizing how theatre can express big ideas in a way everyone can enjoy.
Acting is like storytelling with your whole body. This is so much fun.
In Amsterdam, the friends visit the Van Gogh Museum, surrounded by the swirling colors of the famous painter's works.
His paintings are so alive. It's like you can feel his emotions through the colors.
In Amsterdam, the friends visit the Van Gogh Museum, surrounded by the swirling colors of the famous painter's works.
My painting doesn't have to look perfect. It just has to feel real.
They realize that art isn't just about technique. It's about expressing what's in your heart. For the finale of their European adventure, the friends perform at an open-air showcase in Paris, with the Eiffel Tower glowing in the background. They combine everything they've learned.
Let's make this a performance to remember. I'll keep the rhythm strong.
Maya paints a live mural of their journey. Zara dances to the rhythm. And Rio and Nia perform a duet inspired by their time in Europe. The audience claps and cheers, inspired by their energy and creativity.
Europe showed us how art and history connect. And now we're part of that story.
As they sit by the Seine River, reflecting on their adventure, the friends share their favorite moments.
Painting in Florence made me feel like a real artist.
I loved creating music that tells a story. It's like a conversation without words.
Shakespeare taught me how fun it is to act out ideas and emotions.
Europe's art is so inspiring. It's like every corner has something to teach us.
ArtzyKidz.